So it's been a couple days since I've been socially distancing and I'm bored. I decided to do like quarantine diaries. I'm gonna go blackhead remover, playground, and vlog my days. One, because I feel like it'll make my time not doing anything more fun, and two, I'm gonna try to figure out what to do when you are socially distancing and just chilling at home. I want to look at this through a positive light. I personally love spending time with myself. Like, I love having an excuse not to leave my house. However, it's been it's day 3 and it's, you know, I'm feeling all the vibes. It's like crazy hour for me. Like, I'm feeling the social distancing within myself. Happy birthday, Neil! Happy birthday, dear Neil! Happy birthday, Neil! Can you please wish for the coronavirus to end? Or just kidding, do your own wish. Yay! So it was Nell's birthday yesterday and all her gifts arrived today. So I'm gonna go over to her room and give them all to her. I wanted to get her things that I feel like she could also use during her time inside the house. So let's see what she thinks of it. Honestly, like, I'm so much more excited about her gifts. Like, I hope she lets me use them. Can I come? Hey girl. So I just wanted to bring you your birthday gifts.
I'm scared.
Don't be scared, it's not scary.
Do they work?
What do you mean?
Does it work?
Obviously, it's in a brand new box.
I want to try it right now. It's like the pour thingies, like the pour vacuums.
It's a blackhead vacuumer.
What is it? How did you know I wanted one of these?
Really? You wanted one?
Yeah, I told mom like 5 months ago. It's a silk pillow.
Of course.
It's like a face steamer.
It comes with these like blackhead removers. This is like super good for your skin to sleep on and for your hair. So basically I got you like a little self-care kit since you're spending a lot of time inside.
I really like that. Okay, I want to use this.
Whoa, I look like some kind of police girl. Social distancing is important, but that doesn't mean that you have to be cooped up in your house all day. You can actually go on walks out in nature. Can you guys see me? Just make sure you're 6 feet away from people. It's important to go and get some fresh air, some vitamin D, because other D's are lacking in this time of need. It's really great having foreign parents that don't know what you're saying. Me and my mom are walking my dog. We're gonna go to the park. I'm gonna see if I can get some Instagram pics for content, since I'm also clearly lacking on that. Jax literally runs to the other side of the sidewalk because he's afraid he's gonna get hit by a car. There's a couple of people at the park, not a lot. No one's really close to each other. Everyone's like... As you can see, the playground's all blocked off. Same with that one and that one. Jax is literally the dog from Doug. Squirrel, squirrel, squirrel. Can we just take a moment? This is what Jax looks like when he's running up close. He has so much energy. Yeah, social isolation sucks, but I feel like I normally don't go to the park with my mom and my dog. I think social distancing has reminded me the basics that I've missed out on when I'm so caught up in the fast pace of the world and having a bunch of things to do or something like that. Go ahead and open up all my PR packages. I was like, honestly, I'm tired of waiting for more packages to come. I'm just gonna open this and throw it in the quarantine diaries. So we have this nice silver package. Also, I sprayed all my packages just in case. Ooh, yes! Some skincare goodies from First Aid Beauty. Oh my god. This is the Ultra Repair Cream, and let me talk about this. I like get eczema on really random parts of my body. This winter, for the first time, it was on my face, around my eye. Specifically says, relieve minor irritation and itching due to eczema and other conditions. I tried it out, and it actually worked. I feel like having so much time at home has given me time to like put more effort and time into my skincare routine and my pamper routine. So I've been playing around with products. So this is a great opportunity for you guys to like recreate your skincare routine. Awesome Awesome Possum, thank you First Aid Beauty. This is quite the dress. A cute bikini I'll wear indoors, I guess, from now on. Revolve! I think I actually picked these out before I found out that I have to spend literally the next month at home, so. Might include some Coachella options in here. A little sneak peek into October. How freaking cute. Can't wait to wear that in 2000. Tie-dye cropped hoodie. This is from Lovers and Friends also. There's something in my brain where every time I see tie-dye, it like gets stimulated and I'm like, nah, I need it. I think it's because I never went to camp and I never really did tie-dye as a child, so I'm like catching up on it. I always forget that the models that are like modeling the dresses are probably like 5'9" and I'm 5'4", so it's probably not gonna look like that on me, and then I realize that once I actually get it in person and I'm like, oh, so it's not a maxi skirt. Okay, when I travel to my front yard, that'll be awesome. And we continue. This is from Foreo. Ooh, okay. So it's like this electronic mask applier thing. It's a LED thermo activated smart mask. It like heats up your mask on it so it melts into your skin or something like that. So think of it like kind of like an espresso machine. Foreo has their like mask pods and you like plop it onto there. I'll figure this out. Yes! Function of Beauty is like customizable shampoos and conditioner sets. I was running out. Yes! I'm obsessed with Fresh Beauty. I literally could get married to all their products. Like, I don't think I've ever used any of their products that I've been like, I don't like that. Hey Hailey, enjoy our best-selling soy face cleanser. I was in a campaign with my mom for their soy face cleanser. If you're gonna get anything out of my channel, the soy face cleanser will change your life. It's like the #1 selling cleanser in Sephora. I've gotten way too many people hooked onto the soy face cleanser, and because of that, and they know I have a bunch of them in my house, every time someone comes here, they're like, oh my god, like I ran out of mine, like can I please get another one from yours? And I'm like, sure. And it's like I love giving it to them because it makes me happy that I recommended something and then they're hooked onto it. But then I don't have any more soy face cleansers. So this is Florence by Mills. I want to film a first impressions of Florence by Mills. Let me know in the comments if that would be of any interest to you. Who is that successful and they're not even 16 yet? Like, who? Anything that adds to my self-care routine in this critical state, I'm like... Okay, in a really random ass way, this bag smells like my friend Izzy's house. Okay, we've got 3 tubs of something. I always use their scrubs. They work wonders on your body, like getting rid of dead skin cells. Thank you, Frank. Frank Body. My body on your body, baby. This box, I ordered like everything on Kylie's Skin, like the whole Kylie Skin collection, because I want to do a review on it. This is for someone named Roxette. Roxette, I'm sorry, I have your PR. If you want to come get it, young blood. Liddy. That's awkward. Puma woman sent me this and they wanted me to participate in their TikTok challenge 2 weeks ago. Pretty colorful. Oh, this is sick. It's like a windbreaker. Thank you, Puma. Wait, that's awesome. They never sent me anything before. Revolve. So basically how Revolve works is they give credit to their ambassadors and you can use that credit, buy stuff for yourself. I think I want to film a whole video with these things, so I'm not gonna show any. Oh, imagine like a dog came out of it. They did this new collection, which is clean fresh. It's vegan and formulated without a bunch of like the bad shit that's bad for you. A lot of goodies. I'm gonna try this one. Okay, it tastes like, you guys are gonna think I'm so weird. My whole childhood, I wanted an American Girl doll, but like my parents never got me one because they thought it was like the stupidest thing to spend your money on. I would literally be so sad. Once they like let me get something from the American Girl store, and I had like a $20 budget or something. What can you get at the American Girl store for like less than $20? Like literally nothing. You could probably get your doll like a scrunchie. But they had these like American Girl lip glosses and I was like, yes, like I'm gonna own something from American Girl, and it wasn't even a doll, it was a lip gloss. So what was I saying? This tastes like that lip gloss. Literally I was 7 or like 8, and here we are again. Well, I'm keeping this. It's this brand called Lottie Freckle Tint. Let's see if this has the potential of being famous on TikTok. And I'm gonna do this for that brand. Meanwhile, they're like, is she okay? Okay, I'm like so bad. I look like I have a disease. So I think my mission failed. Okay, we're gonna stop. I just opened up a can of tomato soup and it went on my face. Comes off pretty easily. Caution, do not make out with fake freckles. We've got a little package from Too Faced. I've been watching way too much Love Island. Peach Perfect Instant Coverage Concealer. Have you been using this concealer?
I actually have.
Is it good?
Should I give you an honest answer?
It creases. This is supposed to be the perfect concealer brush. And honestly, I've been wanting to apply my concealer with a brush for a minute now because my booty blender been really smelling like a wet dog recently. You guys ever have that problem? I have it a lot. Now for this Grubhub PR package. These are dumpling flip-flops. To make it even better, you can charge them through these little cables. They heat up your feet. How genius. Even though my dog tries to like eat the cables, which is not cute of him. It's just a blanket, a cutting board. Makes me sad because so I don't have my own apartment anymore and I have to move out of it, even though I moved into that apartment literally 2 months ago. So what that has with this cutting board, I don't know. It just reminded me of having a kitchen, which I don't have. Okay, well, this was all the PR. Let's show you what it looks like. That gives me a lot to do.